Hi everyone. President Trump on Wednesday announced sweeping new tariffs that could affect home prices and mortgage rates. Whether you are buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on the market, this could affect you. So let's break it down. For the housing market, the new tariffs could mean higher construction costs for home builders. The National Association of Home Builders estimates that about 10% of building materials used in residential construction are imported. Higher material costs mean higher construction costs. And when builders have to pay more, guess who else does? Yup, buyers. We could see new home prices climb and resale homes might go up in demand shifts. Fortunately for new home shoppers, Canadian lumber is currently exempt from the 29% national security tariff Trump has imposed on the nation Canada. However, it's unclear whether the baseline 10% reciprocal tariff will be added to lumber once it takes effect for Canada. The NAHB have said some of its members have reported that they are planning for tariffs to increase material costs between $7,500 and $10,000 on the average new single-family home. The NAHB estimates that 75% of imported lumber comes from Canada and 74% of imported gypsum used for drywall production comes from Mexico. So what does tariffs mean for mortgage rates? Tariffs can impact inflation, and when inflation goes up, the Fed might respond by adjusting interest rates. That means borrowing money for a home could get more expensive. The 30-year mortgage rate stood at 6.7% as of March 2025. The good news is Fed Governor Adriana Kogler has said that she supports keeping the Fed's current interest rate steady, for as long as this upside risk to inflation continue. So what's the move? Well, here is a real estate hack most people overlook. Buying new construction home could actually help you beat those high rates. Builders are also feeling the pressure from the high interest rates, which means they are offering serious incentives. Incentives like rate buy downs, closing cost credits, and even free upgrades to sweeten the deal. Also, locking in a rate sooner rather than later might be a smart play. For sellers, pricing strategically is the key. And if you are a homeowner, keeping an eye on refinancing options will save you money in the long run. The bottom line is Trump's tariff send ripples through the housing market. Will it be a small wave or a full-on tsunami? Time will tell. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you worried about rising rates? Or are you thinking the market will adapt? Let's talk about this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you next time.